everyone, Bentley here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to do a super quick single shadow look with my newest Charlotte Tilbury Cream Shadow. And I got the color, and see, it's kind of dark, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. It is the color, I think it's Mona Lisa. Yes, Mona Lisa. And it looks to be, it's dark brown, I believe. I don't want to get it out yet, though, because we're going to put Essence Eye Base on my eyelid first. Well, let's get started. I was already just going to start. I'm so excited to try this. Anyways, this is going to be a quick video, I think. So we're going to go in with our eye base. Put this all over the eye. I always use my sponge to do it. Just spread it all around. Base on, we're going to go in with our Charlotte Tilbury Mona Lisa, and I'm just going to get some on my brush. This is my Sigma E55, and I'm just going to pack it on the lid. I thought it had a purpley tint to it, but it just looks brown now. I guess Mona Lisa's a brown person. I love, love, love my Marie Antoinette one. So I figured I would love, love, love this one too. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe 504 and pull it up. And just give it a wash upward so that it turns into our transition, our crease. It's the whole deal. I think it's pretty. I saw that Jessica Braun got a new Charlotte Tilbury too during the sale. She got the green one. They didn't have the green one when I looked. They had this one, and then they had a gold one, but it was like a really yellow gold. It was really hard to decide, but I decided this one looked like a kind of a purpley brown, so that's why I went with it. Oh, they had a pink one too. If I get another one, it'll probably be the pink one. Anyway, she got the green one. And it looks pretty, but green is not really my color. So, I got this one. And just hoped for the best. I think it's pretty. And that's all I'm going to do for eyeshadow. And I'm going to go in with liner and mascara. And we're going to be done. So, I'm going to use my black tattoo liner from Maybelline, and I'm going to push line. Then I'm going to take my flat brush. This is the Morphe 432, and I'm going to spread that around and pull it up a little so that it's a little bit smoky. Now I'm going to go in with the liquid liner too. And I think I'm going to use my new rollerball, which I use all the time in the brown, but I haven't tried this one yet in the black, so it's time to give it a shot. And we're going to give it a little wing. Now, I had heard that this was matte. So hopefully it will dry down matte. I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the final look for our single shadow eye look. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Mona Lisa, and well, you saw what I did. When I went off camera, all I did was add mascara, and I used my Laura Geller Lash Boss. And lips. I did add lips, but that's not part of the eye look we were doing today. For the lips, I used this Rimmel, what's the name of it? Cherry Kiss, and this is Revlon Cushion Kiss. Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint. And this color, I have no idea what the color this is, but it's not gonna be readable to me. Hold on, I will see if I can find the color. Fancy Rose. This is Fancy Rose, and I put it on top of, what did I say this was? Cherry Kiss? Something like that? Yes, Cherry Kiss from Rimmel. And that is all I did when I went off camera. I just added some mascara and lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is our super quick look. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And hit that little bell so you're notified when I upload another video. That's it. Love you guys. Mwah!